I can't bullshit like you can.
Isn't that the truth? Where are we again? What's the name of this place?
It's basically about for friends. We used to live this bohemian lifestyle.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we are having a little adventure day here in Curacao. Where are we heading is?
We're heading to Punda, I think.
Punda, we believe, is the capital here in Curacao. We actually checked in the other day and we saw a little bit of it, but today we're going to give it a really good crack. From what we saw, it looks amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah, really nice. A lot of history and yeah, we're going to take a nice stroll around and hopefully see it all.
Some very colourful buildings, very colourful people, very much looking forward to checking the town out, maybe even going to a restaurant.
Treating ourselves.
Alright, come along with us, guys. Did you say something, darling?
G'day. Today we are visiting this beautiful pier and these two boats. I can't bullshit like you.
Isn't that the truth? Punda is Willemstad's first colonial settlement. Started as a hub for Dutch slave traders, today it is a World Heritage Site. Its preserved colonial buildings house fashion boutiques, art galleries and beautiful cafes.
La Bohème, it's actually an Italian opera, but it is actually composed by a French artist. So it's basically about four friends who used to live in Paris and they used to live this bohemian lifestyle. And a bohemian lifestyle is a lifestyle where you don't really have a lot of money, but you still work with what you have. And this is actually the vibe that we at La Bohème try to go for. Like, our tables are very colorful and they are not very fancy. So everything here is casual, so you can basically feel at home. And our prices are not too expensive either. So people come here and they don't really have to think that they are sitting in a restaurant. We just want you to feel at home and at ease and have a good time. So that's a little bit about the history of La Bohème.
Amazing, amazing.
Alrighty,
Thank you so much. Kieran, where are you?
I can't remember the name.
No?
I honestly can't remember it. Where are we again? What's the name of this place? Curacao? No, that's what you call it. No. Curacao, that's right. Curacao is the seat of the ABC Dutch Caribbean. It is known for its beautiful beaches, mass coral reefs, and rich marine life.
I gave you the flower, but you just gave it right back to me.
Oh. Isabel. Didn't know you could carry that man with no face. I've never seen this type of bridge before, but basically the whole thing just runs on a big motor and the whole bridge just connects and drives out in a straight line with the key, and then the ship can go through, and they close it back and it just sits snug straight back in. Amazing stuff, amazing piece of engineering. It's called the Emma Bridge. I'm going to find you some more facts, and Queen Emma Bridge, Isabel tells me. Okay, so I'm gonna.
It's like a little kid.
So I'm gonna find you some more facts, and you're gonna hear them in a voiceover right now. Queen Emma Bridge is a pontoon bridge that connects the quarters of Punda to Otrobanda. The bridge operates on a hinge, and 2 diesel engines turn propellers to move the bridge parallel to the shore, allowing the ever-busy port to operate. I found this extremely fascinating and had never seen one before. We were a bit concerned that coming in here with our sailboat, I mean, we would just be disrupting the public and moving this whole bridge just for our sailboat. Literally the smallest little fishing boat just got the bridge to open up. So I feel quite confident if we ever want to come through here that it's completely okay.
So, Mr. Kieran Wise, how have you enjoyed your day?
I have enjoyed my day quite a lot.
Quite a lot?
Quite a lot.
That's the extent of it? Did we get something more?
Yeah, you want
juicy
to
details?
detail the answer,
How
yeah.
you feel, thoughts, what running through your head?
So this is our second time in the city, and it's been quite a pleasurable day. We got the drone up, we had a beer, we had lunch, we checked out some of the nice shopping mall they got just outside the cruise terminal, and all in all, it was quite successful. Oh, and they had a bridge that opens up in a way that I've never seen a bridge open up before when I was like a little boy. You know?
That was your highlight.
That
of
was
the
my
day,
highlight.
wasn't it? Well, for me, it was trying the Venezuelan Colombian lunch we had. What was it called again? A something rather, no?
A respa? No. We'll figure that out and we'll get that back to you.
Well, we'll write it down here.
Right around over this face, just here. Probably not.
But they are delicious. They even had a vegan one, and you got a steak and cheese, and there was a lovely waitress there that told us about the restaurant, where the name comes from. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. Walking around, seeing all the beautiful spots here. Alright. Restoration Curacao is a non-profit organization dedicated to enhancing populations of threatened coral species across Curacao. They also educate the public on the importance of the ocean. They have around 300 certified divers aiming to grow and protect the coral reefs around the island. We have seen so many dead coral reefs around the Caribbean islands, so to see that they here were trying to protect and actually grow new corals was truly amazing.